Huawei has 8 WLAN R&D centers around the globe, with the Suzhou Research Center as the R&D headquarters. For years, the WLAN R&D centers, such as Antenna Algorithm Department at Israel Research Center, Aesthetics AI Research Department at France Research Center, and TSN at Germany Research Center, have been collaboratively innovating in WLAN research and development. This contributes to the leading position of Huawei in Wi-Fi standards. Now let's explore the 8 labs in the Suzhou Research Center. Radio is another key to Wi-Fi signal quality. Huawei Lamarr RF Lab is built to test the integrated radio capability of APs. In this lab, engineers can carry out multi-dimensional tests, such as IEEE Wi-Fi indicator verification, signal coverage capability test, radio UT test, MIMO MLO technology test, and anti-interference capability verification. This ensures that products deliver outstanding performance in scenarios such as multi-user concurrency, long-distance coverage, LTE signal coexistence without interference, and high-density throughput. To adapt to various installation scenarios at the customer sites, Huawei has built a hardware installation lab to simulate diverse installation modes and improve the instability, aesthetics, and comfort of products through trial installation. The live network environment is moved to the lab. This way, engineers can test the quality of scenario-based installation of Huawei products from the perspective of users, so as to improve the usability and friendliness of products to customers. In this lab, Huawei launches the universal mounting brackets, which can adapt to all AP installation modes and are compatible with competitors' products. No more hole drilling is needed for device replacement. Huawei WLAN is always dedicated to customer experience and has built multiple professional labs that take customer experience as acceptance standards. Besides the 8 labs we mentioned, there are also OFDMA, Performance PK Test, Terminal Compatibility, Single-User Performance, Multi-User Performance, Multifunction, and Roaming and Access Performance labs. In the future, we are committed to building professional WLAN R&D platforms and capabilities to bring ultimate, fully wireless experience to customers.